It's weird having a hole cut in your house, especially when it's empty. You learn just how much of the city leaks in, and you gain an appreciation for the giant metal box that makes cold air for all of us to enjoy.
24 heures du Mans. 24 heures du Mans, la plus grande course automobile d'endurance du monde. Verrons-nous cette année les 200 km/h de moyenne? Deux marques sont en lice. Ferrari, le champion inamovible. Ford, le géant.
Today we're getting our air conditioning cleaned, and I'm gonna go excited because I don't know why, but I just love watching stuff go from dirty to clean.
We live in Taiwan. In fact, I don't know how you missed that from my channel. It's on the banner. Probably going to mention this fact a couple of times throughout my life on YouTube. And by the way, 721 of you. Look at you all. Love ya. Living in Taiwan, there's one thing you need to adjust to, and that's heat. Just how hot is it here? Well, I cooked up a little demo to show you the heat. Eminem famously says, melts in your mouth and not in your hand. But we're going to just set them outside on the balcony, under the roof and not direct sun, and see what happens. Hang out with the puppers for 10 minutes, and then we can all go see the results from our little experiment here. And hold the phone here. I just now realized that, our experiment is terrible, because it's a 97F outside, and chocolate happens to melt at 80F, 30C if you're metric. So, there's no surprise in the outcome of this demonstration. Okay, now I don't know why I expected anything different. Yeah. A better example of heat would be my son here, who has attached a patio umbrella to his bike for protection from the sun, which he bought at Lowe's, a store that doesn't even exist here. That's how hot it is. It's imported umbrella hot. You need AC here. It's like a basic necessity. And air conditioning needs to be cleaned, which is where these guys come in. They're going to clean out the units of the house, and of course me being me, wanting to film it and share it. A little setup, as the guy said they'll clean things in the bathroom, so I wanted to get proper lighting. Maybe I went overboard. A little. Whatever, just call me Kevin. The fun thing was we never got to use the bathroom because the door is 21 1/4 and the AC unit, it's 22. So instead, the guys had to do all the work behind the house. I'd like to take a second to show you the basic parts of an AC unit. This bad boy right here is the evaporator, where the compressed liquid changes back to a gas and gets cold. The air gets sucked through the evaporator, cooled, and then put back into the room. Bam! It's comfy. Now there are more parts to it, like this is the condenser, which changes the gas back into a liquid and gets hot. And then there's this, and this. Yeah, too much shit. Just note, this side cold in the house, this side hot outside the house, and they need to be clean to work. Our AC units, like many people's, are stuffed with shit. What is it? Well, the answer is in your favorite piece of household equipment, your vacuum. It's got the basics, hair. Long ones are from the missus. Most of them are from Doge. Skin, dust, screws, buttons, the usual. Oh, and everyone's favorite? Mold. Interestingly enough, Taipei is covered in mold. You see it everywhere. It's on buildings, paint, bricks, sidewalks, it's everywhere. You should know that it's not a product of neglect or dirty people, but it's the environment that Taiwan exists in. It's extremely conducive for mold growth. Here, behold the wooden ocean. Down here is the equator, and up here is the Tropic of Cancer. Taiwan exists in between them, so the environment is tropical. It's an island in the ocean. So you ever play Star Tropics when you were a kid? Yeah, whatever. Mold needs two key ingredients to grow: heat and moisture. We all know it's hot here from the totally accurate Eminem demonstration, and if you've seen my previous videos, you already know my thoughts on what Taiwan's humidity is like.
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
Now, mold is everywhere in the world. The coastal sides of the USA to the sticky south has mold issues just like Taiwan. Oh, and America. Woo! Time for some actual cleaning. These guys' weapon of choice? Pressure. Yeah. Enjoy your lunch while you watch some shit get blown around.
Voilà que la caporale Johnson prend l'échappatoire. Une Alfa Romeo est sortie de la route. C'est Bruce McLaren qui...
Yep, that's about what should be at the doorstep of your kitchen. Delicious. However, this is not the real enemy, as these units are modern. But the real beast sleeps upstairs, waiting, undisturbed since its birth in 2006. Its name is Colon, and it strikes fear in the hearts of all who witness it, spewing blackness to infect the lungs of the unsuspecting. Oh yeah, and the red light hasn't stopped blinking for a few millennia either. But these guys are battle-hardened. They yank the sleeping beast from its cave without mercy, expose it to sunlight. And believe it or not, I have vacuumed this thing several times, but as you can see, to no avail. Removing the brain to befuddle the beast. Breaking off its protective skin, exposing the core. I had to back off, as rational thought was replaced with terror. The heart is prepped. The throat, once white, is now covered in blackness. These guys attack without second thought. I hope that their mighty steed does not fail them. It's looking pretty good so far. But what about the heart? The beast's blood runs thick. And the carapace's once former glory begins to shine again. A little dab, and the brains are replaced. Side note, I learned that the electronics of AC units are placed in little removable boxes. I did not know that before this adventure. All cleaned up and no longer a beast, the unit slides back into its home, happy once again. Now these guys are troopers, as they went around the house, cleaning unit after unit after unit, for the rest of the day till the job was done. And the only thing left was clean, peace, and serenity. And that wonderful feeling of air conditioning. Yeah, and the red light stopped blinking too. Go figure.
Les écolis tentent de reprendre la piste. Non, il n'y parvient pas. Il est ensablé.